Welcome to another day of Kashmiri and British cooking. Today I will be making chicken pasta. First off, what we want to start is with we cut 3 onions, 1 green pepper, 1 yellow pepper and 1 red pepper. On this side we have sunflower oil here, but I will be using it hand-free today, so I'll be using 4 tablespoons, but I'll be putting it hand-free. Just that much, just a bit. And then I'll be adding all the vegetables in here.
Okay, so how long are you going to cook this?
I'm going to cook it on 10 minutes on high heat and then 5 minutes on medium heat.
Until it goes soft?
Yep, so you want your onions to look golden brown. And you want your peppers to be cooked, so to know how they're cooked is when you poke through, it'll be easy to poke, as not at the moment, it's not doing so because I've just added them.
So it's crunchy right now?
Yep, fresh.
So you're going to make chicken?
Yeah.
What chicken?
Thigh chicken, but it's cut in small pieces. Okay guys, now it's been 7 minutes, so now I'll be adding 1 kilogram of chicken, fried chicken, and that's cut into pieces.
So it's small pieces?
Yep, small pieces.
Okay guys, so it's been about 7 minutes now.
Now I'm just going to mix and leave this in for a good 10 minutes so the chicken will cook.
And on what heat will you put it?
I'm just going to put on medium heat for now.
So
I don't want it to burn.
So medium heat for 10 minutes?
Yep.
Okay.
And after the chicken is done, I will be adding sweet corn, soy sauce, chili powder, and I will let you know how much I put in.
Okay.
So now I'll be adding 2 packets of pasta in.
So now you're adding the pasta in. So how many packets? 2?
2. Yep. Now I'll add the water just to make sure that the water is touching the top of the pasta so it's overfilled, not too much.
Okay.
I would say 3 to 4 cups of pasta. It depends how much pasta you're making.
Okay, so now you're going to put it how long?
I'm going to put this in for a good 15-20 minutes.
On medium heat or high heat?
High heat.
On high heat. How long?
15 to 20 minutes.
15.
Make sure to know if the pasta is done. When you break down through, it will split in half. It will be really soft when it breaks down.
Yeah.
And the water will become starch water.
You don't want to overcook it, innit?
You don't overcook because it was hard.
It goes hard or something, innit?
Yeah. For the salt, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons. I'll be doing also hands-free.
So how many adding? How much salt?
2 tablespoons of salt.
So we're adding 2 tablespoons of salt.
Make sure the pasta is covered by the water so it doesn't dry from the top when cooking. Okay, the chicken's done now, so now what I will be doing, I'll be adding 2 tins of sweet corn in.
So these are drained. The sweet corns are drained of all the water inside them?
Yep. So I have to drain it again. Now we're adding soy sauce in. Now I'll be adding soy sauce, dark soy sauce. You can add as much as you want. So I'm just going to put just a bit in. A little bit comes out.
So we're putting about maybe 20 to 30 drops.
Yep.
All depending how much you're making. So if it's a big, if you're making it for like 10 people, you add more.
And then now I'll be adding a tablespoon of chili. Not the whole. This is a wooden spoon, so I'll be adding just a bit less than that. So
we're adding like 1 tablespoon of chili powder.
Yep, and now what you want to do is you want to make sure that get together. Okay, now I'll be adding as much as coriander as I like, so just you can add as much as adds up to your pasta.
So we're adding coriander. So this is like up to you how much you want to add. We really like coriander.
So I've added 3.5 handfuls of coriander.
So it's been about 15 minutes with the pasta, about 12 minutes, 40 minutes. It's almost done.
Yeah. Because as you can tell, it's done. You can see it's bubbling here. A starch water now.
All the starch is coming out on the
You
sides.
see it's soft and boiled. You know when you can break through. You know. This is really thin, coated, not hard anymore. Now I'll be adding the pasta to this pan.
Okay, so the pasta's done. We drained it, and now we're basically gonna add it back in the pan with no water. And she's gonna add the curry, the pasta sauce and stuff straight in.
Did you put it on?
Mumsy Red Heart as an exclamation mark. X.
Finish look of it.
Okay guys, it's about to be finished. So we just mixed it. Okay guys, this is the final product.